Hello, Intro to Yearbook. Just a quick rundown of weeks 4 and 5, just to kind of let you know what's going on this week. Right now, I am going to move this Add Materials folder. I'm doing it right now so you can see it happen back into the week 2 and 3 folder, just because that's kind of where we discussed it. So it is still there if you still need to send your emails, but I am moving that in there so it's not just sticking out on its own. So we are in weeks 4 and 5 now because we're going to be focusing on our responsibility and design basics for a couple of weeks. So clicking into this, here's what to expect this week. And I know these look unpublished because they are right now, but they will be published by the time you are watching this video. So kind of two different trains of thought this week. We are covering our responsibility as student journalists, which kind of involves some law and ethics. And so here are several different little just kind of like screencast videos. This is where the bulk of your learning is going to take place in this folder. So please watch everything in this page, okay? From there, you have 3 kind of short assignments. I think there's just like 5 questions on each of these, just to kind of review the information that's in this page, a discussion board post, and then a 10-point quiz here. I think you have 2 tries on that. So all of this information is very important. It's a little more, it's not like the creative side of yearbook. This is the side of yearbook that is necessary and important, but it's more of just kind of like learning the terms and different rules and things like that. So really take your time going through these things. You have, all week until Sunday at 11:59 to do that. And if you have questions about anything in any of these assignments, please email me and let me know. After that, we're going to just start with some very basic design rules. And then also, I'm going to teach you how to just create a template, make a text box. So it's very basic design concepts. And then a little 6-point quiz at the end here that shouldn't be difficult at all. There's a little bit more this week than there was last week for you guys to do. So again, take your time, but do not skip over any of this stuff and do it in order because that's going to be helpful to you. I did not put completion rules on any of these things, so you can click on any of these at any time. However, start from the top and work your way down because these are in order for a reason. So just wanted to kind of mention that. Within each folder, you're going to have a little introduction for each thing.